So I treated myself with the Creuset Braiser yesterday. This is the packaging, and I got the Braiser in 26 centimeters, 2.2 liters in shiny white. I did open this yesterday, so I know what it looks like. It says 26, and this comes with the silver knob. I will be changing it to the gold one. And this is the bottom. It says Le Creuset, made in France, 2.2 liters. This is the smallest size. I don't need a big one. It is only me and my husband at home, so this is perfect for everyday use. And let's go ahead and change the silver knob. I did get a gold one here. We're just gonna be replacing it. Let's get a screwdriver and loosen. This is a long one. Don't know where my other screwdrivers are, but it's so easy to pop off. This will look like this. There's two parts to the new one also. There's the screw and then the knob. I want to place the knob like this on top of the lid. Then on the back of it, where the hole is, we place the screw. So after I tightened it in the back, this is what it looks like with the gold knob. Beautiful. This retails for $290, but luckily they had a deal for the holidays. It did come down to $179 before tax. And then the gold knob, it is a little pricey. I don't think it's real metal either, and it retails for $28. Anyways, it's for the aesthetic. All right, so this is what it looks like. Beautiful. And again, it's the shiny white in 2.2 liters. This is the smallest one.